Now, India is celebrating the 76th Republic Day today. As a chief guest, Indonesia's president will attend the Republic Day parade at Kartavya Path. Around 31 tableaus will participate in the parade. The theme for the tableau at Republic Day Parade 2025 has been decided as Swarnim Bharat, Virasat or Vikas. They will showcase India's progress in various sectors like technology, infrastructure and cultural heritage. A 352-member marching and band contingent from Indonesia will participate in the parade. The parade will also feature many other firsts, such as the Tri-Services tableau, which will depict the spirit of jointness among the armed forces. Shivani Sharma is joining us live from Kartavya Path. She's tracking the latest of what is happening when it comes to Republic Day. Sunilji Bhatt is also live with us from Jammu and Kashmir. Shivani, first to you. We know that about 10,000 special guests have been invited from 34 categories. Talk to us about the special attendees.
Chetna, see, it's only 2 hours from now when all the action will start beginning at the Kartavya Path, and you see there is excitement, thrill and enthusiasm in the national capital as we celebrate the 76th Republic Day Parade. When we talk of the special invitees, this time 10,000 special guests across the nation have been invited. These are those people who have contributed in nation building in their particular roles. There are sarpanch, there are women who have been doing good in their fields, and 70,000 other people will be witnessing the parade. Tickets have been on a big sale this time. More than 120,000 people will be there as spectators as the Republic Day Parade will be proceeding at Kartavya Path. And you know, the heritage of India, along with the achievements, how India is transforming as a self-reliant nation, is the theme of this year's Republic Day Parade. We'll be seeing the mechanized columns, the mounted columns and the marching contingents from 6 different regiments of the Indian Army, along with the CAPFs, the Indian Air Force, the Indian Navy. A first Tri-Services tableau will be highlighted to show how the jointness efforts are going on within the defense forces. We'll be seeing a veterans tableau out there. We'll be seeing the tableaus from across the states, and like every year, the fly past with 40 aircraft of the Indian Air Force would be the showstopper of the Republic Day Parade this time, with more than 12 formations in the air. You see how it looks like at the entry point of Kartavya Path, where from far places people are coming since morning. It's quite chill in the air for Delhi, but still these people are full of warmth and happiness. We'll try and speak to a few of them. आप लोग कहाँ से आए हुए हैं?
पीतमपुरा से।
कैसा लग रहा है आज का जो माहौल है, कैसे अलग है, कितना अच्छा लग रहा है आज भारतवासी होने पर? कितना गर्व है आपको?
बहुत गर्व है जी, अच्छा लग रहा है जी।
बेटा, आपको कैसा लग रहा है? आप हाथ में ट्राई कलर लेकर आए हो।
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
आप बताओ।
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
आप बताइए, आपके बच्चे यहाँ पर आए हैं, झंडे लेकर आए हैं, क्या बोलेंगे आप आज के दिन?
अच्छा लग रहा है।
अच्छा लग रहा है. You see the arrangements. If we talk about the security arrangements also, Chetna, there are multiple layers when we enter the national capital, and close to the Kartavya Path also there are different gates, multiple barricades where people are being checked. Without any passes, nobody can be present even close to the Kartavya Path. There are 15,000 security personnel across Delhi who have been deployed for a successful Republic Day parade celebration. And when we talk of the parade and the chief guest, we know that the president from Indonesia will be the chief guest at Kartavya Path. At 9:57, we'll see action beginning in terms of the dignitaries moving towards the National War Memorial to pay homage as a tradition whenever we celebrate a national festival. We begin by paying homage to our national heroes, the fallen heroes. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be reaching National War Memorial at 10:05 a.m. He'll be joined by other dignitaries. He'll lay the wreath out there. There will be guard of honor, salami shastra out there, and from there he will be proceeding to the saluting dais at 10:22 a.m. After which the president, along with the president of Indonesia, will reach the saluting dais at 10:27 a.m. and 10:30 the parade will start. National flag will be unfurled. We'll see the 21 gun salute with the indigenous guns, the light guns, 105 mm infantry guns. artillery guns, and then the show will begin. So this is how India is all set to celebrate the Republic Day parade today at the Kartavya Path with a diverse cultural heritage of the India, the achievements of India. We'll be seeing the DRDO tableau with Raksha Kavach, how all the three services are being protected and enhanced by this, the modern weapon systems by the DRDO, how the surveillance is enhancing, how we are engaging in terms of challenges or at the border. So everything will be visible in this tableau. We'll see for the first time 6 musicians, Agniveer women musicians in the Navy's band. We'll also see how different formations in the air are done. We'll see the Pushpa Varsha happening as a tradition every year when the parade starts, when the flower petals are shot on the people at Kartavya Path. And we will see the cavalry contingent too of the Indian Army out there. So the excitement is high and people are all set to witness the might of the armed forces as well as to feel proud with the rich and diverse cultural heritage of the country. So unity in diversity and Atmanirbharta ki Shakti will be portrayed at the Kartavya Path today when the parade begins.